Garlic parm Brussels sprouts. You want some? We cut off too much of the tip here. We're gonna lose a lot of the good leaves when we go to cook this. We're gonna play that game called Just the Tip. Just the tip, which is literally, that's it. Just the tip, just the tip, just the tip. Back to our regular scheduled programming. I'm not even looking at the bucket. I haven't missed yet. Right down the center. We're not losing any of the outer. Olive oil, some garlic powder, onion powder, pepper, just a couple of cracks of salt. Let's give those a good toss. I've been preheating that tray, so be very careful because that's going to be olive oil on the tray. So it's cut side down, okay? Try and space them out. Room to breathe, not to worry. So we're just over halfway through, and I want to show you underneath what it looks like. So you see how that's getting nice and crispy? It's the time where we're going to add some Parmesan. It's a great flavor combo. Back in. Go. Look at those.
Yeah.